Hey, thanks for clicking on my affiliate marketing on YouTube video. And in this video, we are talking about making videos without having to actually show your face. And I'm going to show you one program called Vidnami. You don't have to use that program, but I'm going to just kind of walk you through the process and show you how to go from idea to final video. All right, so you're wanting to make your YouTube videos, but you do not want to be on camera. That's okay. You may not feel comfortable right yet, but I would encourage you to start practicing recording videos where you're talking face to face, because it does create that know, like, and trust factor more so than if you don't do that. But regardless, let's move forward and let me show you how you can do that if you don't want to be on camera. Now, just like in the last video, you are going to have to brainstorm what your video is going to be about, the problems that you're solving, and you want to make sure that you're serving your audience, you're helping them answer some questions, and giving them information that's going to be useful for them. So next step, you're going to write that information down, and you don't necessarily need to hang this anywhere, but you do need it to be visible, because what you're going to do is you're actually going to read that information. So you are going to need some kind of a speaker, if that's earbuds or a regular microphone or something else. And what you're actually going to do is you're going to use some kind of a program on your computer that allows you to record audio. Now, there's a million different programs out there, but all you need is a program that lets you speak and record an audio file. So because you've written down the information you're wanting to talk about, that's going to allow you to record it. Now, you're still going to use your introduction and your meat and potatoes and your outro. You're still going to do that, only you're not recording straight into a camera, you're just recording audio. So next up, I'm going to suggest a program called Vidnami. Now let me open Vidnami real quick just so you can see what it looks like. So this is Vidnami. I'm going to go over this a little more thoroughly in the next video. So it has the ability to create content videos. And you can see the different video playing in the background. These are all stock images, or stock video, I should say. It uses a certain AI feature, and that fills out the stock video here. Now this is the thing, you can upload your audio to videos and have these stock video playing in the background. So you'll be talking and have other things playing in the background. It keeps people's eyes moving and gives them something interesting to look at. All right, so now that you have your video created, you're going to download that video to your computer and you have a completed video. At this point, you're going to upload that file to YouTube and you're going to be good to go. So just to recap, think about your video and the problem that you're solving. You're going to write that down and have it somewhere in front of you so you can read it. Then you're going to audio record what you're wanting to say, introduction, meat and potatoes, and your outro. You're going to then upload that to Vidnami and have a video with stock images or videos created. You're going to then download your video and then you're going to upload that to YouTube. If you don't even want to use your voice, you could hire someone on Fiverr to create videos for you. So this program Fiverr, if you're not familiar with it, is basically an outsourcing website, and you can have people do voice narration. You can have people actually create the videos if you just want to send them the outline of the video or all of the wording that you want the video to say. And there's a couple different avenues, a couple different ways you can do that. This will obviously cost a little more money because you're having to pay people to create these things. But it's one way that you can outsource it. If you just have the concepts, you can do that. I hope that was helpful for you. If you are interested in Vidnami, you can click this link right down here and start a free trial. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that right now. If you have any questions, please leave those below in the comment section and I'll try to answer those for you. And in the next video in the series, we're going to talk about 5 affiliate products that you can start promoting today that are really, really good products, ones that I really like. So I will talk with you soon, and thanks for watching.